Many people think the use of AI is beneficial for fast development of technology, science, and security. But creating AI models for different use cases is limited to big players such as Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Intel, as it needs huge computational powers. For instance, Meta used 3.3 million GPU hours of computation for its model Llama, which cost hundreds of millions. You might think, why AI model costs this much? Because AI model is a program that is trained on a big set of data to recognize certain patterns or make certain decisions or answer questions without human intervention. That's why it requires huge computational powers. Many people and organizations don't use AI public services from big players for privacy and security concerns to avoid incidents like the one that happens to Samsung. The good news is you can create your own AI in your environment. There are multiple open source pre-trained models that you can use for your special use cases. The best place to look for pre-trained model is huggingface.co. It's an AI community with over 550,000 models. Hugging Face Hub is free and you can access to the latest machine learning tools and open source models. Let's search for Llama, the Meta's chat model, which is a competitor of ChatGPT. The data freshness is up to July 2023. Meta released Llama, large language model Meta AI, to help research communities who don't have access to a large amount of infrastructure to build a model. Meta's goal was to democratize access to resources in the AI field. Llama is a foundation model that have trained on a large set of data, 7, 13, 33, and 65 billion parameters. To download a model from Hugging Face, you need a pro subscription, but I will show you how to get its free version from other sources. Ollama.com contains multiple models including Llama 2 and Uncensored Llama 2. You can check the memory requirements for each model and how to run the model. Now it's time for creating a private AI which is working offline on your computer. In Ollama, click on the download button, select your operating system and follow instructions. For Windows, the preview version is available. You can download the preview version or use Windows subsystem for Linux. In this video, I am using WSL, Windows subsystem for Linux. We go to CMD and write WSL-install. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. You might need to restart your computer to get the installation of WSL works. If WSL installation works, you should see the Linux in a terminal. When you see the Linux prompt, copy the command from Ollama for Linux and paste it in the command line. This command will download installation file from Ollama. Now run Ollama 2 to download a pre-trained model on your computer. When it prints success, it is ready to use. If your computer doesn't have a GPU, it will still work, but you get some delays on response time. Let's turn off Wi-Fi. Now we ask our question from our private AI. Let's start with, what is AI? Or, what is cybersecurity? The answers are quite well. Now let's ask some technical question. Explain SolarWinds attack. You see, some of the information are not exactly what happens. And let's go a bit more specific. How to enable Windows Firewall. The provided answers are based on the data that feeds to the model. Some of the answers might not be correct. Always cross-reference the answers to validate the response. You can fine-tune the model or develop your own chatbot using these pre-trained models because tuning the model does not require a large amount of infrastructure and computational powers. Also, using private AI omits the security and privacy concern related to exposing or overexposing internal data. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.